the thrill and adventure of open roads. The sensation of the wind rushing past. Pulsing roar of freedom in your veins. Echoing through the windy mountains. Freedom is yours with every twist and turn. Every mile, a new memory waiting to be made. It's more than just a journey, it's a way of life. But then, in an instant, tragedy strikes. A split-second mistake and the joyride can turn to horror. Medical bills pile up, and insurance companies deny claims. That's where Atoyan Law Firm steps in. Experienced, dedicated, and passionate about protecting the rights of motorcyclists in the greater Los Angeles area, including Glendale, Santa Clarita, Pasadena, and beyond. With Atoyan Law, you're not alone. We'll fight for your justice so you can get back on the road. Our services are available in English, Spanish, Armenian, and Russian. Don't let a careless moment take control of your life. Keep Atoyan Law's contacts close and ride with confidence, knowing you have a champion for justice by your side. Or call us today to schedule a consultation and take the first step towards justice. Atoyan Law, where words meet actions.